The ash catcher assembly attaches to the bottom of your grill. It has an easy-to-empty pan that collects the ashes from your barbecue. It consists of a new pan and catcher ring. The most common problem with the ash catcher is accidental damage caused by something hitting it. Replacing the ash catcher assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the lid and grates from the barbecue. Now I can remove the catch pan. Now I'm going to carefully tip the grill onto its side. With the grill on its side, now I have access to these tabs that hold the ring in place. I'll go ahead and pull the tabs back. Might need a screwdriver to release them. And then I can pull the catch ring away from the handle. Now I'll install the new catch ring. First, I'll align the ring with the cleanout handle. Then I place the ring so it's aligned with the legs. Push the tabs in as I do this. I push the ring down until the tabs snap in place. I'll make sure each of the tabs are pushed in securely beneath the leg. Now I'll lift the grill back up onto its wheels and install the new catch pan. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the grates and the lid. And that's how easy it is to install a new ash catcher assembly on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.